welcome. Check out this self-built tiny home on wheels. It's 15 square meters. It's 6.6 long and 2.5 wide, 4 meters high. It's built from recycled materials mostly. Has a tiny porch in the front and the gate for the dog. Recycled door. When you enter, you see the wood stove, sofa with made table on top of it, sliding out for the keyboard extension. Lots of storage you have there, and behind the bed as well, right here. Everywhere is the storage. All windows are recycled. It has a water boiler that runs on the gas and on electricity. And Tedford 3 gas burner stove and oven. 100-liter fridge. Over here above you have as well storage that you can open. You have toiletries. There is one more. Bathroom with a wardrobe, water tank, bathtub, extra storage that works as a fire escape as well. Self-built composting toilet. Here are doors that you could use as a fire escape if you need it, or just a storage when you want to put stuff inside from outside. Sliding barn door with a mirror. The height in the bathroom is around 2 meters, so you can stand freely, and at the same time you have very spacious loft. Here we have extra storage as well. This goes very deep inside. Very comfortable stairs, not too high, very comfortable to walk on them. And the queen size bed with 2 roof windows. Very nice round window made as a sun. And the gate for the dog. And I still can sit straight in the loft, so it's very nice height. And in the loft everywhere around on that side and on this side you have extra storage. And all this house cost here £17,000 because she used a lot of recycled materials and 1 year of work. When you come outside, on this side you have chill zone with umbrella, some fairy lights, tiny garden. Here you can see the house is on wheels. Gas tanks for the heater. As you can see, all the house is cladding from recycled pallet wood. So that was it of this tour. I hope you like it and see you in the next one. Cheers!